10xHydro turbine. If you thought the cities of the world are busy, think again. Additional 3.5 billion people will move to the urban areas by 2030 and increase the energy demand by 50%. What is being done? Energy efficiency certainly needs to remain our focus. More efficient equipment and buildings are paramount in putting energy consumption under control. Renewable energies are great, but not suitable to city environment. There is just not enough real estate in the cities to install solar panels. Wind energy poses already documented environmental risks. Cities are built, buildings and streets are there. It is expensive to distribute energy from new power plants to the cities to handle new demand. We already have the technology. Up to 70% of overall electrical energy is consumed by buildings in which we live, work, are educated, entertained, or in which we leisurely spend time on vacations with our loved ones, or in the data centers where important information is kept. Essentially, billions of gallons of water are distributed through buildings every moment of every day to provide potable water and to keep the conditions in our buildings comfortable through heating and cooling systems. Overall water flow in buildings in the USA exceeds the flow rate of the Mississippi River. Annually, $75 billion is spent on pumping energy worldwide. Water carries significant kinetic energy created by the pumps and is traditionally wasted. What if we can extract kinetic energy available in fluids in each and every building and generate electricity using the same principles known to mankind for decades? And all that without affecting existing building performances.
One of the most exciting startups I'm currently working with is called 10xHydro. And they make this small little turbine that you can put in a building's water flow to create energy out of the pumping energy. And that energy is clean and it helps the earth and saves and makes money.
We already have the technology to extract 50% of all pumping energy. So let us introduce the 10xHydro turbine. The revolutionary turbine by 10xHydro is able to regenerate up to 50% of the pumping energy in any building or installation, making it the most efficient energy regenerating device on the planet.
When I first learned about 10xHydro, I thought this was a real game changer. 10x showed me the evidence of the idea via the Turbo Genie video and the proof of concept.
It does not require additional energy input, nor does it affect existing pumping systems. The patented technology surrounding the 10xHydro turbine is so revolutionary and so simple that recovering pumping energy becomes as easy as connecting a couple of pipes and a couple of wires to the existing piping system.
This technology can be installed in any building with zero impact on the existing system, yet unlock the potential within all buildings of the embodied energy. This technology has a bright future, and we need it now.
The energy created by 10xHydro turbine can be used to charge batteries and/or to be sent back to the power grid using the very conventional and already developed products used for wind and solar power.
That little turbine can also go in other process flows such as natural gas and oil. 10xHydro is one of the best companies and the potential that I've ever worked with, and I'm so excited to be on their advisory board.
The turbine is compatible with the latest nanotechnologies, and as such, it demonstrates exemplary operational efficiency. Essentially, we are now able to create a micro hydro power plant in every building. The 10xHydro turbine has been thoroughly tested in a state-of-the-art, purpose-built laboratory that mimics operational environments of existing buildings. We are now seeking partners for installing the 10xHydro turbine in their buildings.
I have previously successfully commercialized new technologies in Danko, the leader in the HVAC industry. However, the work we are currently doing is so exciting and intellectually stimulating that by far surpasses anything that I've done before. Our multinational team has been working tirelessly over the past year and has achieved fantastic levels of technical superiority and turbine efficiency in record time. We already have the technology.
This is a technology when introduced to the market, it will indeed help us to shift the future. Let me put it that way. 10xHydro is a new Google and a new Apple for environmental engineering and economics.
We want you to join us to shape the future of our planet.
www.10xHydro.com